Hi, I'm Jess from Crewe Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Audi A3 1.5 TFSI 35 Black Edition, finished in the gorgeous Python yellow, complemented with the 19-inch 5-arm wide design alloy wheels, matrix LED headlights and LED rear lights which are really illuminating, and enough room inside the boot for 3 adult-sized suitcases to be placed in. The rear interior is finished in the gorgeous Audi leather with the white stitch and ice fixed to both outer rear seats, beautiful inlays throughout the front, and of course the S-embossed front sport seats. The steering wheel features the virtual cockpit controls and hands-free telephone controls, and using the left-hand side controls, this allows the driver to easily customise the different displays on your virtual cockpit. You can also zoom in and out of the thermometer and rev counter. Over to the multimedia, we've got the DAB and FM radio stations, providing you with a larger variety, suitable for all passengers, and you can also connect your smartphone via the Bluetooth for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over to the car settings, we've got the Audi Drive Select, which allows you to adjust from efficiency up to dynamic, as well as individually adjusting the drive system and steering. The driver's assist comes with speed warning, Audi Presense, hazard alerts and lots more. And you can also connect your smartphone via the Bluetooth for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With this being touchscreen, the satellite navigation system is extremely easy to use, allowing you to easily zoom in and out of the maps, which provide you with quick and easy 8-spirit guidance. We also have front and rear parking sensors, which are there to alert you of objects close by to the vehicle. Just below, we've got the dual zone climate control unit, the front seats are also heated, we've got 2 USB-C ports and wireless phone charging. We also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, the electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and some storage underneath the armrest.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance, and for more information call us today on 01270 507070 or inquire online today.